Hi, this is Will Cook with the Will Cook Group at Keller Williams Luxury Homes. Welcome back to my video blog. Today, I'm going to give you 3 tips on how to be a competitive buyer in our strong sellers market. In this strong sellers market, buyers are having to compete for homes like never before. And I'm going to share with you 3 tips that we're giving to our buyers to coach them on how to get their offers accepted. The first tip is to move quickly. You should already have a process in place to evaluate homes prior to going and looking at any home. The first thing you need to do is determine what is important to you. What are the 3 top must-haves that you have to have in a home? To do this, I usually suggest to our buyers to take a blank piece of paper and write a line down the middle of the paper and do 2 headers, must-have and nice-to-have. This is especially important if you're purchasing a home with a spouse, a significant other, or an investor partner. Identify your top 3 must-haves and agree on them. And then once you start looking at homes, you're much more quickly able to evaluate them and determine if it's the right fit for you. We usually discuss with our buyers a rating system to rate each home that we look at in a process where we rate 1 to 10, 10 being the best. And the 3 things that we ask buyers to consider when they rate homes as they're looking at them are price, condition, and location. So it's rare that we get a lot of 10s, and it's also rare that we get a lot of 1s. But in general, if you give a home a 7 or above, that could be a home that is a good contender for you to consider purchasing. The second tip for buyers in a competitive seller's market is to be able to demonstrate to the seller your ability to purchase. The way that we demonstrate that you not only have the desire but the ability to purchase a home is to be prepared with a strong pre-approval from your lender, or if you're paying cash, to have a proof of funds in the form of a bank statement with your name, a date, and the amount of the purchase on the proof of funds. These are items that we strongly encourage you to submit with the offer so the seller can take your offer seriously and consider it. And the third tip for buyers in a competitive seller's market is to come in strong with an offer. If you find a house that fits your needs and you've got the ability to buy it, demonstrated by a pre-approval or a proof of funds, we suggest that you come in strong on price. The reason for this is you may not get a chance to increase your offer or better your offer. If a home is priced well, meaning it's priced to the sold comps in the area, then you should expect to pay at least asking price or over asking price if you're in a multiple offer situation. And we suggest that you come in with your highest and best up front, because there is no guarantee that a seller is going to give you an opportunity to increase your offer. And if they do come back with a multiple offer situation asking for a highest and best price, you can always just repeat the same price that you offered originally, if that is in fact your highest and best. We've had a lot of success in securing properties for our buyers in this very competitive seller's market, and we'd love to help you as well. Please feel free to reach out to us, email, text, or call, and we'd love to talk to you about your unique situation. If you're a seller and want to take advantage of the incredible equity that you've gained in your house over the last couple of years, we'd also love to talk to you, and chances are we might have a buyer that's interested in your house. Feel free also to reach out to us as well. Also, if you have any other real estate related topics or questions that I can answer, I'm happy to make a video about it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.